The Honda Bluetooth hands-free link feature lets drivers make and receive calls without touching their mobile phone. To pair a compatible phone to hands-free link, the vehicle must be parked with the power on. Start by pressing the Home button. Touch Phone, then Yes. Make sure your phone is in discoverable mode. Now touch Add Bluetooth Device, then select Continue. Select your phone when it appears on the list. If your phone does not appear, select Refresh to search again. If your phone still doesn't appear on the list, select Phone Not Found and search Bluetooth devices using your phone. From your phone, search Hands-Free Link. The system then gives you a pairing code on the display audio screen. Confirm the pairing code on the screen and on your phone match. When pairing an iPhone, you'll be asked to allow your phone book to be shared with the car. You can pair up to 6 phones at a time to the system. Here's the quick way to add more phones. First, select Settings, then Phone. Then select Bluetooth Device List. Next, select Add Bluetooth Device. Select a phone to connect from the list, then select Connect. You've just added another phone that is now paired with the vehicle.